Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. So today I will be reviewing this keyboard that I'm currently using at the moment. So this is my Razer Cynosa V2, and it's a decent keyboard. Performs pretty well. Now the reason I'm using it is just because it's just what I'm using, and it's just what I'm not sure how I came across it. I think I saw something and got offered the keyboard. I can't really remember. And yeah, there are other keyboards I'd rather use, but to me it doesn't matter. Now this keyboard itself, you know, it's made by Razer. I don't love Razer products, but it advertises some stuff. So you've got individually backlit keys, which is great. You know, you can go to the software, change all the key colors, you can make patterns, you know, whatever you feel like you can make. That red, that key red, that key orange, you know, whatever. Now you've also got dedicated media keys up here. So you've got your backwards, pause to play, forwards, mute, and then up and down button. Pretty satisfying to press actually. Now the big letdown to this keyboard is that it's membrane, and I'll show you guys that here. Right there, that is a membrane switch. Now it's one of the better membranes. Well, it's the best membrane keyboard that I've tried. I'll give you guys like a typing test, all that kind of good stuff. But yeah, I feel like it's a bit disappointing that it's membrane, but I don't hate it. Now I'll show you guys my other keyboard as a reference. This is my older keyboard. I was using this, and I replaced it for the Razer Cynosa. Now this keyboard, I even had put some custom keys in there, and it feels much more satisfying. But my main problem with this keyboard is that it's too small, and I did buy this keyboard because it was small. But then I kind of realized it was just too small, and it got a bit annoying because I'd have to press like Control and Alt to get the F keys working, and it just seemed unnecessary. So I went back to a bigger keyboard, and that's just what I got. And yeah, I think the perfect keyboard for me will be a mechanical keyboard that's bigger. But for a membrane keyboard, I was actually pretty satisfied with it. Hey guys, okay, so I'll be testing the keyboard now. Little typing action, and then I'll get onto a website and I'll see how it goes, see how fast I can type. And I'll compare it to my old keyboard. So let's put this key back on. I'll just show you guys that quickly. So here we have the key. I see it's all meshy down there, you know. And yeah, so let's put that back on. I'll give you guys a nice little satisfying typing test. So yeah, doesn't sound as satisfying as a mechanical keyboard. Just as a frame of reference, here we have my mechanical keyboard, and I'll just, listen to the difference of that. Got this here. So yeah, this keyboard sounds a lot nicer, but total comfort, this keyboard, I just prefer it, and it just feels more comfortable. And yeah. Also, did mention it, but this keyboard will run you about $100 brand new, so I can't really recommend it, to be honest. But if you buy it secondhand, it's a bit cheaper. But who wants a secondhand keyboard? Because I'm sure there are better options. But if you like Razer, it's a good keyboard. But if you don't care about Razer, like me, you know, I'm not much of a Razer fan, and I have this keyboard. It's just decent, you know. It's one of those things where I'm just like, I'm okay with it, and I don't need to change it. And I've had it for a while. But let's get into a typing test. Hey guys, so I'll be doing a typing test with the keyboard. Let's get started. Okay, so you can see on the screen we've got the monkey tap, and let's see how fast I can do it. I think on my other keyboard I got 43 words per minute. Let's see how much I can get now. Let's see. $43 per minute. Cynosa small keyboard. Yeah. So basically, whatever I said about the other keyboard, I think I said the other keyboard was fine for typing, but not amazing. This keyboard's the same. It's fine. I mean, I didn't buy this keyboard to type all day. You know, if I'm gonna type, I'm gonna be on my MacBook. This is more for like gaming, and for that, it's fine. You know. Do I think you should buy it? Probably not, if I'm being honest. Like, there are just better keyboards you can buy. Like, if you're a Razer fan, yeah, get it, whatever. But
Your phone ringing.
I have it purely just because it's not a bad keyboard. It's just okay. It's good. Like, how do I say this? It'll do what you want, but it's nothing special. Like, it has it, yeah. If you care about your lighting the most, yeah, cool, great keyboard. If you care about getting a big keyboard, yeah, sure. But most importantly, what I care about the most is it being a good type of switch, and it being membrane for me, a bit annoying, but somehow it doesn't bother me because it just doesn't feel that bad. And I'll make another video in the future showing a really bad membrane keyboard, a cheap one, and I'll show you the difference. But until then, see you guys later, and have a good day.